Question second. This question is of binomial expansion. The coefficient of x4 in the expansion of x plus a power 6 is p. The coefficient of x4 in the expansion of x plus a power 6 is p, and the coefficient of x square in the expansion of ax plus 3 whole power 4 is q. It is given that p plus q is equal to 276. Find the possible values of the constant a. Coefficient of x4 in the expansion of this is p. Coefficient of x4 is denoted by p, and the coefficient of x square is denoted by q. P plus q is equal to 276. Find the possible values of a. First we will find the coefficient of x4 from here. We will use a formula of binomial expansion, formula to find the specific term. This is the question. X plus a whole raised to power 6. Now we will use this formula to find the specific term. NCR a power n minus r, b power r. N is in the question, n is 6. First term that is represented by a, first term is x, and second term which is represented by a, that is b. First term a is x and second term is b. So putting here the values, this is a general formula to find the specific term. So putting here the values, NCR means 6CR. Actually first we have to find the value of r. It is very clear that a is x, b is a, n is 6, but we don't know r. Actually we have to find first the value of r. Putting the values, 6CR x power 6 minus r, a power r. Now using the indices rule, but simply we there is only one x here, so we have to find the coefficient of x4. So we have to find the coefficient of x4. So we can equate 6 minus r is equal to 4. So from here we can find the value of r. Six minus r is equal to 4. From here r is equal to 2. Putting here the values, 6c2 x power 6 minus 2, that is 4, a power 2. So coefficient of x4 will be, these are the coefficient of x4, 62 into a square. So we write here 6c2 a square. This is the coefficient of x4, but coefficient of x4 is denoted by p. So we can say that this is the value of p. So P is equal to 62 A square. From by calculator 62 will be 15. So we get P is equal to 15 A square. 62 is 15. We can have from calculator 62 is 15. So P is equal to 15 A square. In the same way, the coefficient of x square in the expansion of ax plus 3 whole power 4 is q. By using the same formula, we will find the coefficient of x square ax plus 3 whole power 4 using same formula 4cr ax power 4 minus r 3 power r. Now here we will use indices rule. 4cr remains as such, but here ax power 4 minus r. So separately 4 minus r will be the power of a and power of x. So we can write it as, first we will find the value of r. First we will separate this power 4 minus r will be the power of a as well as x. So we can write 4cr a power 4 minus r x power 4 minus r 3 power r. Now in this expression only x lies here. Power is 4 minus r. We will equate with this power x square. We have to make x square. So to make x square, we will put 4 minus r is equal to 2. To have x square, we will put 4 minus r is equal to 2. So 4 minus r is equal to 2. From here r is equal to 2. Putting here the value of r, this will become 4c2 a power 4 minus 2 x power 2 3 power 2. 3 power 2 will be 9. 4c2 will be 6. So this will become 6a square x square into 9. Finally we get 54 a square x square. So this is the coefficient of x square. 54 a square is the coefficient of x square, that is represented by q. So we have q. Q will be q will be 54 a square. But it is given in the question that p plus q is equal to 276. It is given in the question that p plus q is equal to 276. So we write here p plus q is equal to 276. Putting the values of p and q, the value of p is 15a square and the value of q is 54a square. So putting here the values of p and q, we get 15a square plus 54a square is equal to 276. 69 a square is equal to 276. So a square is equal to 4. Taking square root each side, we get the possible values of a are plus minus 2. These are the possible values of a plus minus 2. This is the final answer.